Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the number of products displayed per page in WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically first, make sure that you are on the admin panel of your website. And for this video, we will be needing just to add or to modify some of the function code of our store. And basically we will need just to be changing the pagination parameters of our function. And to do so, we will be needing to go to appearance and basically and then we will need just to go to the theme file editor, and all we need to do is to search for our functions.php, and from here we will find all the functions of our store. And one of the functions that we need to search is some Astra, since this is my theme. And basically we will be needing to search for pagination or uh, loop shop per page or add filter, etc, etc. So let's just search for our pagination, and those are the meta box here, the admin menu settings, those are required files, etc, etc. Those are some compatibility files, and the one that we need to search are the one concerning our pagination. So simply you would need just either to go to your Astra. This is my uh, website builder, and all we need to do is to search for the exact function. And basically this is the code that you will be needing to use so you can have your columns, etc. So this would be the number of products per page, and those are the columns, and you can return the number of products per page. And basically, this one would add this filter for the pages, and by that, you will be able to have your uh, display page that will number would be changed. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.